We've been sharing working tricks for getting free TikTok likes for quite some time now. But since so many of you requested a trick for TikTok followers, here it is, no more waiting. Today, I'm bringing you the best trick to get free TikTok followers. This trick is 100% free and super easy to use, and it will help all users gain real followers. Just make sure of one thing, your account must be public for the trick to work properly. If you find this trick helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're also interested in a trick to get free TikTok likes, you'll find the link in the video description. You can watch that after this video. So, let's get started with today's best TikTok followers trick. First, open any browser. Now, you need to search for a website named DJAKB. Once you search it, this website will appear at the very top of the search results. Simply click on it. When the website opens, wait for a few seconds and scroll up and down until the site is fully loaded. After that, scroll down, and you will find a search bar. Click on it and search for the keyword QQTUBE. As soon as you search, the article will appear at the top of the results. Open the article and click on Read More. Once the full article is open, scroll down to the very bottom. Here, you'll see a small timer. You need to wait for it to finish. Once the timer ends, a button will appear. Click on it, and you'll be taken directly to the trick. In this trick, you simply need to enter the link to your profile. Make sure your account is set to public. After entering your link, click the button below and wait. A timer will start. Do not close the page during this process, or the order will not be placed. Let the timer run until the end. Once it's done, you'll see a "I'm not a robot" security check. Click on it, and within a few seconds, your order will be placed, just as you can see on the screen. Now, just wait for about 5 minutes, and you will receive your free followers. I hope you found today's trick helpful. You can also see a video on how to get free TikTok likes on the screen. Be sure to check it out to increase your likes as well.